Now, Safuu is an auto-compounding, auto-staking, rebasing protocol that's been around since the beginning of March 2022, and it's certainly one of the best known and most popular protocols, and it has a pretty high fixed APY that's over 383,000. And one of the big concerns with these auto-compounding rebasing type protocols is sustainability. And a lot of people want to know before they get invested in a protocol like that with a high APY is how is this project going to sustain? What are they going to do to maintain that fixed APY? And in my opinion, Safuu is one of the protocols that has really done a lot to add new features, new utilities, new revenue streams, and new ways to maximize growth and value for the investors, and ultimately to try and achieve a long-term sustainability. And they are really doing some innovative things, some would say unorthodox things, but definitely very ambitious and creative things to continue growing this protocol and growing the entire Safuu ecosystem. Now, if we look at the current price of the Safuu token, here is the 1 month chart, and we can see that it has just been continuing to rise over the last month. And right now, the current price is $25.36. And I believe much of this positive price action is due to some big news that has been coming out about these new developments that are happening. And I'm going to explain that in just a moment. But first, let me just give you a brief introduction into what Safuu is. So here is the Safuu website. And you see here it says it's the highest paying APY protocol. The APY is 383,025.8%. And there are currently over 154,000 investors. Okay. So the Safuu protocol is the highest auto-paying and compounding protocol available, a massive 383,025.80%. Now there's also Safuu X, which I'll be talking about in just a moment. This is the world's first rebasing blockchain rewarding developers and users, and it's due to be released in 2023. And there's Safuu Racing, and that is Safuu's very own branded racing team helping market and promote the brand throughout the UK. I'll be discussing that more in just a moment as well. Now, if we go down here, you see they have a calculator for how much can I earn, right? So it has your initial investment set at 1,000 USD, and you can slide this to see what your return on the investment would be after a given number of days. And you could see that, for example, at 180 days from $1,000, if the price remained the same, you could have 57,853. And of course, if you slide it all the way to 365 days, that $1,000 investment would turn into $3,746,386 US dollars. So this is a powerful marketing tool that they use to attract new investors. Many other rebasing protocols have a similar type of thing on their website, and it helps to get people excited about investing with this protocol. And so that is technically mathematically accurate given the amount of interest that's paid out. But again, that does assume that the price remains the same. So if during the course of that time, the price went down, then your return would be less. If the price went up, then it could be potentially more.